Hi friends, if you want to know about Tungi and its property, how beautiful it looks, what are the facilities out there, then I have already created a video for that last time and you can have a look at this video made earlier. But if you want to know how to go ahead with the booking, what to carry, how to travel, what are the menu items, what are the rates of those menu items, so on and so forth, what are the activities that go on, then this is the right video for you. So instead of trying to work it out yourself, spend a few minutes with this video and you will be put to speed for the best of optimized kind of vacation. Hi guys, welcome back and let us dive straight into the topic now. May I remind you to subscribe to the channel so that you can see the variety that exists in this channel and make the best use of it. Let us start with the video.
To start with, let me tell you that Tungi Club Mahindra is a heavily booked property. So getting through and getting yourself a booking is a big task in itself. Secondly, this booking is not available through the Club Mahindra app or the Club Mahindra website. You need to make a phone call and this happens only through a phone call. So the page that is displayed here has got a phone number for India population, that is 18602101111, and if you are calling from outside India, then it will be plus 91 22 681 29010. They also do have a call back facility if you call and leave at this particular number. My advice to you will be to go for at least 3 nights of booking. So the strategy would be to call them up and ask them which 3 consecutive nights are available. Even if it means shifting of rooms, it is quite simple to do that out there, and you should go for such an arrangement and then plan for your leaves. I leave it to you. However, this is a good strategy to follow. With respect to travel, if you are traveling from Mumbai or Pune, I do not know how it is in Pune, but Mumbai, it is kind of a big traffic jam if you start late. So I would advise you to start early in the morning, even if the check-in time for Club Mahindra is 2 p.m. Spend some time inside the resort by reaching early would be a good strategy. So reaching Lonavala is quite simple. Once you reach Lonavala, put your Google Maps on the right resort name, Club Mahindra Tungi Resort, and when you go down from Kumar's resort, it is around 26 kilometers, that is just over a 1 hour kind of a distance. When you move further to Bushi Dam and then to the Lions Point, you will find that the road is quite smooth, but towards the end it's not so great. Here is a glimpse of the road, actual road. No lights on this road, but this is the approach road. Very nice. I can see that the nature is quite good here, but the road is pathetic. This needs serious servicing. If you expand the map view, you may find that there seems to be some restaurants around, like Hotel Amara, Hotel Ripples, and then one Swapnil Hotel. But let me tell you that this 2 restaurants, Amara and Ripples, is inside Club Mahindra Resort only, though it may seem to be outside it on the map. They are pretty much inside and maybe slightly on the costlier side, whereas the other one may not be worth your visit. So in case you want to save a little bit on the restaurant costs, you may carry with you some bread, butter, Maggi, some dry snacks, maybe eggs for boiling, so on and so forth. So whatever basically comes to your mind, you can carry so that you can rationalize the costs. However, the restaurants are pretty good, and it's quite possible that you may want to have all your meals with their restaurants. Especially, I like the one called Ripples, which is shown in this photograph out here. There is a buffet arrangement for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and even a la carte is available. So this is how it looks from inside. In case you want to go through their menu card, I have placed the link in the description of this video below. If you click on the link, you will get the entire menu in a PDF format. For showcasing a little bit of it, how it looks like, here when you click on the link, you will be able to see these options over here for all their restaurants, and moment you click on maybe Ripples, then the menu will open something similar to this. I have clubbed some pieces of the menu card over here. This is not a comprehensive one, and it's quite possible that it keeps on changing, the rates keeps on changing, so it is best to click on the link and check it out. When you visit there, you will find QR codes which you can scan out there itself, and you will get this menu on your mobile. You benefit if you get a total buffet of breakfast, lunch plus dinner, but as per your choice, you can either take 2 meals, 1 meal, or all 3 meals together. All 3 meals inclusive, the cost becomes lesser. And here are the restaurant timings for your reference. There are different types of rooms available. One is hotel unit and hotel unit suite. Hotel unit and hotel unit suite, they accommodate 2 people. The third person will be charged. Per person it will be 1,500 plus taxes. And there are some other type of higher grade rooms as well, where you can accommodate more people without any additional charges. On reaching there, you should quickly check out with their happy area to check out any activities planned. For example, they have treks going to Pauna Lake at around 4 p.m. You have to pre-book the same. Cycling is available at rupees 60 for 30 minutes, and there are various other kind of activities. So make it a point to visit this activity center on day 1 so that you don't miss upon something that you always wanted. There would be electric cars moving around this entire 45 acres of complex. So you don't have any problem in commuting from one place to another. Walking, of course, is the best option in this environment. But in case you want to transport any luggage, no big deal. These cars are always available for you. One final thing, remember that once you avail these facilities, once you stay, you will be able to book it only after an year after that point. And of course, you can travel to this location at any point of time, any day, for a single day kind of an option. Hope you are now equipped with enough information to travel. Wish you a very happy journey, pleasant stay. Do let me know how it was after you stayed there.